Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make a picture into a rectangle in Photoshop. I already insert this image. Then click for any file. Click create a new layer. Select the shape tool. Right click on your mouse. Select polygon tool. And now we can see this sides. Press 3. Number 3. Use fill color. I use fill color outside stroke rate. Okay, then stroke size, press enter, hold shift, click and drag it and move, press Ctrl T, resize it for straight. Okay, then press Ctrl T, hold shift, click and drag it, apply this, again click shape, increase the stroke size. I use this. Okay, then click image, move tool, click and drag it, press Ctrl T, hold shift, click and drag on your mouse or resize image, then right click, create clipping mask. Now we can see this, make a picture into rectangle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Press Ctrl Z or group.